I'm gonna change the fan. It stopped working a few days ago. Like I got the switch on, so I'm gonna change that one. The motor's probably shot. It looks cold. Yeah, just to make sure that it's working properly. I'm going to change the fan. It stopped working a few days ago, so I'm not working today, so I'm going to change that. I got a replacement fan, and I'm going to show you. And this is what that looks like. I got the switch on, so I'm going to change that one because the motor's probably shot. It looks old, so I'm going to change that one. I'll let you know how it comes out after. And this is the new part. It comes with a cover, the whole fan assembly, and this is the type of fan it is. It's a new tone ventilation fan, and the power is 50 and the sound's 4.0, so that's a noise level. And the power mix when you turn it on. You get these at anywhere, Home Depot, Lowe's. I bought this one at Home Depot, and it comes with instructions, which is easy to follow, but I've changed these before, so I really need the instructions. I'm just gonna show you how to go through it. These are the instructions. I'll be back in the field. We're gonna get started. All right, fam, so the first thing we're gonna do is make sure the switch is off, and I'm gonna remove the cover and take the fan out. It's very easy. You got two different slots here and here. You got two clips. You just squeeze them each side and put it in. It pops right in. It's very easy. Next, we're gonna plug the motor, get the power off. And we're gonna take out one here. Got that one screw. I'm gonna put that one here. Oh, just one screw. And this is what the old unit looks like. So I might use the same, leave the housing there. I'll see how hard it is to take out. I may just transfer this fan assembly onto that housing and it should work the same way. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this assembly out and see if it should fit in there to keep from changing all the wires and everything, because the housing is really okay. So I'm gonna disassemble this one and see if I can slide it in there. We'll be back. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this assembly out. So I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver or pliers. And let me get a pair of pliers. Get one end out. And we got the assembly out. So I want to see if I could fit it into that housing. If not, I'm going to take this fan off and mount it on here and we'll be good to go. So we're going to take this old motor off, use the same housing plate, and put the new one on here. So we've got the old housing off. We're going to pull the shaft off, and that comes out like that. And let's see, and I have to pull the other end out. So we got the old motor off. I'm going to clean this up, and then we're going to mount the new motor on, which should be about the same fit. So I took the old fan motor, the new fan motor off. I'm going to take this off the housing and mount it onto the old faceplate that was in there. So we're going to remove the new fan. Gotta change tools because this has a hex on it. Fine. Okay, so now I'm going to mount the new motor on the housing I had. It'll still work. It'll just save me time from changing the whole housing out, which I really don't have to. I have to change all the wiring in a new housing, which I know how to do that, but I just don't have to do it right now. So now this one just slips right on. It's got grooves in here which fit and hold it tight. So once I get it on, and I just press it and we are good to go. So I'm just gonna clean this housing up and then mount it back in. Alright guys, so I got to do a test run. I put the motor on, I plugged it in, but I didn't socket it in yet. I just want to make sure that it's working properly. It is. So now I'm just gonna wipe the inside out and vacuum it and install it back in. I'm gonna vacuum this out and get all the old dirt and whatever is in there. And hopefully I have to go in there for another maybe 10 years. Daughter's gonna kill me. I made such a mess in here, but I'll clean it up after. Let me get my tool. So it's just one bolt. We're gonna put it back in. All right, fam. So we're gonna get ready to tighten everything up. I'm gonna screw back in. Gonna put the new cover that came with it back on, so it'll look nice and clean. So first, we're gonna just screw it in before we plug it in. Electricity, you want to be safe. Got that sucked in. Plug in just like that. Now these are the clips. You got a slot here and here, so you just squeeze each side.
See you later, Dad.
All right. And we're just gonna clip in. Let me see. New tone. Gonna have the name up. New tone. Have it upright. I think of one. Other side in. It's hard to show you guys, but if you ever do this, you'll see how it just flips in. It's very easy. Okay, there we go. You just have to touch that up with paint, but we got it on. And there we have it, guys. Got our exhaust fan in. Running nice. It was just an easy job, matter of the way the housing are, you can just take them out and plug them in. And this job took maybe about 40 minutes. It took me a little time because I had to switch tools out and clean and everything, but it wasn't really a long job. And look at the money you can save versus having someone else do it. So if you like this, we got more stuff coming up, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. About Sonia and Kenny. Peace.